has the face of fear going on.
I'm terrified.
Okay, so we're at the Kentucky State Fair. Come on this way. Wait, what are these roosters? Chickens? Chickens! So what they're called what? Pullets. They're young. Pullets. Come on in. Zoom in. So you want to tell her about your name?
This is... Tell your name. I'm Madison.
Madison, and what's the bird's name?
Poofy.
Poofy. Did you just name that on the spot?
Yeah.
I think you did. Zoom in over here.
This one is a beast. I'm Landon. Look
Landon?
at his feet.
What's his name? What's your bird's name? How about McNugget?
The reason they don't name them is because they plan to eat them.
So we have McNugget and Fritter. So you guys are, come on in. You guys are showing the chicken.
I don't know why he's telling me to come on
We'll
in.
have 12 of them here. So what do the judges look for when they see these birds?
The chicken's wings and...
Look at the feet.
He's touching the feet.
Jaclyn. What's wrong with you? Look, it's just a chicken. See, tell them. It's ridiculous. So we'll give you all some of the chicken. Okay, so by the way, Davis County, right? You got Ohio County. The class of Davis County High School right there, 88. Showing chickens at the Kentucky State Fair. I think Jaclyn should hold one.
No, don't touch it. No. Don't touch it, no.
Oh, don't stop. This is great.
You can touch it, though. It's incredibly soft. Don't mess with the rooster. I think that they're incredibly mean.
Yeah, we love it.
Very mean. I'll show you.
Roosters are mean and they're very loud.
Roosters are incredibly mean. I'll show you my rooster.
We're live at the Kentucky State Fair.